Here's the thing most students get completely wrong going into AP Physics. They see an object with negative velocity and negative acceleration and they think, okay, it's slowing down. That is wrong. That object is speeding up. And the reason students miss it isn't because they're bad at physics. It's because they memorized words instead of understanding what the math is actually telling them. Negative doesn't mean slowing down. Negative means direction. Today we're unpacking position, velocity, and acceleration at the level the AP exam actually tests. And by the end, you'll never confuse a vector with a scalar again. Start here. Draw a number line. This is your position axis. Put an object somewhere on it. Position is a vector. It has magnitude and direction encoded as a sign. Positive means one side of your origin, negative means the other. That's it. Distance, that's scalar. It's just the total path length traveled. No sign, no direction. If you walk 3 meters right and 3 meters back, your distance is 6 meters. Your displacement? 0. That distinction alone is worth points on the AP exam. Displacement equals x final minus x initial. Now velocity. Velocity is displacement over time, vector. Speed is distance over time, scalar. A velocity of 8 ms means the object is moving in the negative direction quickly. On a position time graph, the slope at any point is the velocity. Steep slope, fast. Shallow slope, slow. Negative slope, moving in the negative direction. A flat line, velocity is 0. The object is stopped. Average velocity over an interval, that's just the slope of the secant line. Rise over run from point A to point B. Instantaneous velocity at one moment, that's the slope of the tangent line at that exact point. Average velocity, draw the secant. Instantaneous velocity, draw the tangent. Lock that visual in. Okay? Acceleration. This is where it all comes together, and where the AP draws the line between students who understand physics and students who just memorized it. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, not speed, velocity. That single word swap changes everything. Column 1, V or plus 5, A, D plus 2, same sign, speeding up. Column 2, V, EX plus 5, A, BS 2, opposite signs, slowing down. Look at column 3. Velocity is 5, acceleration is 2, both negative, same sign. The object is speeding up. The object is getting more negative, which means its speed, the magnitude, is increasing. It is speeding up. Students see negative acceleration and think deceleration. That word doesn't even appear in AP Physics 1 scoring guidelines, and now you know why. It's ambiguous. The signs are not. The signs are not. Speeding up means same sign. Slowing down means opposite signs. One more layer. On a velocity time graph, acceleration is the slope. Positive slope, velocity increasing. Negative slope, velocity decreasing. But decreasing velocity from 3 to 7. That's speeding up in the negative direction. Every piece of that is consistent. Once you understand mechanism, not memorization. The justification is the velocity and acceleration have the same sign. So the magnitude of velocity, the speed, is increasing. Write exactly that. Full credit. 3 things before you close this. 1. Vectors carry direction, scalars don't. Displacement and velocity are vectors. Distance and speed are always positive. 2. On any graph, position time, velocity time. The slope is the next quantity. Slope of position is velocity. Slope of velocity is acceleration. 3. Negative acceleration does not mean slowing down. Compare the signs. Same sign, speeding up. Opposite signs, slowing down. That's the mechanism. Say it in your free response exactly that way. Good luck on the exam.